Okay, guys, welcome to exploring the last portion of the awareness type marketing objective or ad. And this is a reach ad. And so with reach ads, as we've talked about this a little bit in the last video, the main goal of a reach ad is to reach as many people as possible. And this is not taking into consideration leaving a lasting impression, meaning if you want to leave a lasting impression on people and reach as many people as possible at the same time, you're going to want to go with brand awareness. Now, some people may make the argument, well, why wouldn't I go with brand awareness every single time? It seems better. And that's not necessarily the case. See, what a reach ad is going to lead to more reach or more awareness than a brand awareness ad 9 times out of 10. It's going to lead to more reach and it's going to cost less, meaning that if I reach 1,000 people with a brand awareness ad, it might cost me 10 cents, right? If I reach 1,000 people with a reach type ad, it might cost me 2 cents or 1 cent, right? And the reason why that is because Facebook, they know that groups of people on Facebook are highly interested in any kind of post, but they're not necessarily going to leave a lasting impression on these individuals, and that's why it's cheaper to reach these people. And reach ad for awareness is going to be the cheapest type of ad out there. I've seen lots of people do it to gain more Facebook page followers, where they reach people in cheaper countries such as India and third world countries, Asia, where they get tons of followers from these different countries, just to help boost their social proof, and that's what they do, and that's what a reach ad is for. But what I want to say is that, and the main takeaway with this is that a reach ad is going to result in reaching as many people as possible with a specific message. Understand that people are not going to follow you or interact with you unless you have some kind of message, right? Unless you have something special about what you're saying in that ad, right? If you just tell them, hey, go and follow me, it's not really interesting for the individual. And no matter how many people you reach, the ad is not going to have a good relevancy score. And as we talked about before, relevancy scores are critical to your success because they're a barometer. They are a measurement of how successful your ad is performing in comparison to the other successful ads on Facebook. Okay, so the biggest takeaway to understand here is that reach is going to cost you the least out of all the ads on Facebook, assuming that they all perform well. And what it's going to do is going to help you reach the most amount of people as possible. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move into the next video where we talk about consideration type ads. And we're going to be making a video specifically for each type of consideration ads. So one video for traffic, one video for engagement, one video for app installs, one video for video views, lead generation, messages, etc. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to leave a simple link in the description down below for you to go ahead and check that out. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next video.